Hey there, thanks for taking the time to watch my video. Today I'm standing over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois, in front of one of our pre-owned vehicles, the 2017 Dodge Ram 1500 Express. Now this vehicle only has 22,700 miles on it and has never been reported in any accidents. It does come with a 3.6 liter V6 engine, our tinted windows around the entire vehicle, and custom 17 by 7 inch aluminum wheels. Now when we go ahead and get inside this Dodge Ram, we can see that we do have our gray cloth seating throughout the entire vehicle. When it comes to the front, we do have an option to turn this into a third seat. We do have a smart Dodge radio, your basic cruise control, and push-to-talk Bluetooth. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. Hope you guys have a great day.